Another thing here is Rahul Gandhi signed an MOU with China when he was not holding any official position. What is in that MOU? Why is it not made public? First of all, what's your business with the Chinese communists? This is not normal. Bharat is probably the only country whose opposition is not only against the government but also against the people of the nation.
हमारे किसानों के बीच में आ रही है सर। तुम को आग लगानी है जी। कहा था ये आग लगाने का मौका है। हम आज कहां पहुंचे हैं? आज विश्व में इंडियन कोरोना बन गया है, भारतीय कोरोना। मेरा भारत महान तो छोड़िए, ये मेरा भारत कोविड का बन गया है।
Congress is more dangerous for India than Pakistan and China. I repeat.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो ना?
You shameless low IQ idiots, are you not the ones who tried to stop the government from vaccination? By scaring the public that vaccination gives blood clotting side effects, advise them to use steroids which gave rise to black fungus.
और इसी सिचुएशन में पेशेंट की मदद करने के लिए इनहेल्ड स्टेरॉइड्स जैसे कि बूडेसेनॉइड भी दिए जा सकते हैं ट्वाइस डेली 800 mcg की डोज.
Because of this rubbish, a widespread occurrence of an infectious disease called black fungus happened across the country. Are you a doctor? What license do you have to pass on such bullshit advices to people like this? Dear Supreme Court of India, this YouTuber is responsible for a number of recent deaths due to COVID. Take my video as a complaint and book him now.
क्या आपको कोवैक्सीन लगवानी चाहिए या फिर कोविशील्ड लगवानी चाहिए?
What slippers should I slap you with? Paragon or Bata?
I know that a lot of people are criticizing the government. I can tell you the number of COVID patients what we have, if they are presented to US government, there is no way they could manage. Forget about any other country. These are astronomical number. No country in the world has the infrastructure to manage. But in terms of oxygen, I can tell you, I have gone through the detail. Our government has done a phenomenal job. They have moved heaven and earth to get the oxygen to the hospitals. Of course, a lot of people have suffered. But then, if the whole country is falling sick, there is no healthcare infrastructure in the world can manage.
But what have you done, dear dynasty family Liberandos? Let me show you what these Liberandos have done during pandemic.
Every day there are so many patients who are getting discharged, and therefore there must be beds that must be made available. But check the BBMP website at any point in the day or any point in the night, the BBMP bed booking software shows that all beds are blocked. How does this take place? So many people, there's a nexus of certain BBMP officers, certain Arogya Mitras in hospitals and certain private agents outside who have made this bribe for bed scam. So asymptomatic patients are blocked beds. People who are at home isolation, who are not even in need of hospitalization, beds are blocked under their names and under their BU numbers. Thereafter, certain people who are outside agents speak to the people in charge in the war rooms and then re-allot the bed to those people who make a certain payment to a certain person outside. So this allotting of beds to asymptomatic patients, later re-allotting it to patients based on certain pecuniary or otherwise considerations, is a most disgusting thing that can take place during a pandemic.
Mansoor Ali, Tahir Ali Khan, Sadiq Pasha, Muhammad Zayed, Alsai Sair, Umair Khan, Salman Hurif, Zamir Pasha, Zabiullah Khan, Sayyid Hasnain, Sayyid Shahid, Shahid Shabazz, MD Yunus, Sayyid Moin Shah, Sayyid Muyesh Shah, Al-Said. Who is this? Who are these people?
ಏನು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಾ?
ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬರ್ತಾರಾ 17 ಜನ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್
ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇದು 17 ಜನ ಯಾರು
ಹೆಂಗ್ರಿ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು
ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ?
ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡೋರಾ?
ಯಾವ ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿ? ಆ ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಅವರು ಕರೆಸಿ.
ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿ
ಯಾರು ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಅವರು?
17 ಜನ ಏನು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಮದ್ರಸಾಗೆ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು?
When a honorable MP is taking this much difficulty and risk to expose the bed blocking scam, look at the Puncher Shop Alt News, what they're saying about it. If they are a credible source, why are they highlighting only the Muslim names being raised, but not even a single line of concern about the bed blocking scam? You idiots, don't we know what you people have done during Tablighi Jamaat? Don't we know what you discuss and plan in Madrasa meetings? Dear Supreme Court of India, look at the kind of unrest these left liberals are creating in the public by posting such misleading information. You got caught red-handed in mob lynching sadhus in Palghar. Your media channels both inside and outside the country are just damaging the reputation of India on global stage. Delhi riots, anti-CAA riots, farmers protest, Bengaluru riots, Bengal riots, Bhimsa riots, everywhere riots. You or your people. You're not even sparing the COVID spread to blame Modi ji. Congress is more dangerous for India than Pakistan and China, I repeat. Mota bhai, when are you going to finish this, people?
व्यक्ति और सरकार के खिलाफ बोलने की सहनशीलता, सुनने की सहनशीलता हम में है, कोई बोलता है तो, मगर देश के खिलाफ अगर कोई बोलता है तो इसको ना सहन करना चाहिए, ना हम सहन करेंगे। ये हमारा कमिटमेंट